Hi everyone, you might be wondering why there's a Pirelli truck. Because it's what I made yesterday. I've got a couple more ones, but you'll find out then. I've got my, so it's got a pink roof. It's a model one that I've taken off, not models, like a toy one, so I do that though with them. It's got shiny wheels. And if anyone from Corgi's watching this, can you add the shiny wheels to Stobart lorries? Because this show you, because it's not part one of my models, can you give them these lorries shiny wheels? Because I like them with the shiny wheels. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I got my Pirelli truck. It says Formula 1 on the front. It says Pirelli. And then it says Pirelli F1. If you're wondering how I wrote in white, I used chalk. But anyway, this video is getting on, so I have to end it here. If you want to see more toy reviews, then give a like. And if you want to see more mocks and more modifications to lorries, then please do give it a big fat thumbs up. If you did enjoy, so I hope you did. Bye. And subscribe as well, sorry. Bye.